terror trolley. Oh, terrifying. And it's also a trolley.
It's true, his name's Mr. Bob. You see, we found him on a beach one day in a little basket, just sort of floating there. Bobbing, you might say.
Yeah. I see what you did there.
Ah, thank you, lad.
So did you say hi and you just waved?
What?
You said hi and you just waved?
And I was feeling a little salty about it.
Yes.
It's magics. A warlock is engaged in pitched combat with a djinn for the fate of all magic, using the darkest of arcanas. And finally, we have the final bell. A group of rambunctious school children have decided to play a wicked prank on their teacher. They bloody dropped the bell on her noggin, leaving her flatter than me granny's flapjacks, and that's flat. I'll show you who's trick.
You look pretty scared. Are you scared?
And there's a goat because I don't actually know. Up high, like really high. Miss Fab.
Yay! We're so glad you could make it this evening. We hope you get off the trails in one piece, sir.
Now,
I'm doing fantastic.
everyone needs to come out to my sleigh house.
Yes.
See if you can survive and not get slayed.
Well, we'll see. I hope so. Because I would like to come back and, you know.
You might come back as a prop. I
Okay,
might
that
put your
works.
head on this thing and work on
Okay.
my troll because the magician's been teaching me some new tricks.
Oh.
Or I might just let the holiday harbinger just rip you to shreds. Or I'll at least take your soul and make you a ghost.
Oh, all right. Well, it's a surprise no matter what. Sounds great, though.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Only good options.
What was that?
It sounds like it's only good options so far.
Oh, all the best options, especially cockroaches style.
Look at it! Now order some food!
It's a goat just here. I have no idea why. But there it is. I think I remember seeing these guys last year. Ooh, pizza. I like pizza. So here's before of the garlic parmesan. Ooh, it's showtime. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. All right, just had the Beetlejuice float. Really, really good. Ice cream, even the Sprite. I don't drink a lot of soda very much anymore, but all these flavors came together. We can taste them individually, but this is a really nice combination. So I really enjoyed it. Puppy alert! Death by cuteness, the worst scare of all. Over here we have freeze-dried candy. Seems to be everywhere now.
Those things are our top seller. Everybody loves those. We also got sour Skittles over here. We got big
Wow.
Skittles here. For the season, we've got our freeze-dried candy corn.
Oh, which interestingly looks almost exactly like regular candy corn. Everything else blows up.
Pumpkin spice for the season. Ciders.
The mini donuts are back. Made with love. Apparently not lemons. Nobody wants hairy ice, so we have shaved ice. Some beverages over here. Chips if you want something not so cold. Snowy.
Welcome
Oh.
now.
Oh
Come
my
right
God.
along.
Well, thank you.
Correct?
Yes?
Yes, yes. Now I need payment. A finger, a leg or two is not much.
Oh.
Don't be rude. Come on. Come back here now.
Excuse me, sir. I've
Yes?
seemed to lost my pet snake.
Oh.
Her name is Nausea. Do you see her anywhere?
I don't. I'll let you know.
You have to look for her in the trail. Let's hear yourself call out, Nausea!
Naja!
Louder, sir!
Naja!
Nausea,
Where are you? Oh. Hello. This is the bridge. I remember this from last year. Oh, that's really cool.
Welcome,
Oh.
welcome, come. I tell your future right this way. Look into the cup.
Oh,
Look, look. It's empty.
Ah!
You want me for my collection?
Okay. Walking faster.
Ta-da! Step right up. Don't be shy. Welcome to the show. And
Thank you.
now for my next trick. Abracadabra!
Oh! Okay.
Jolly good show!
Put me in
Oh.
the pictures!
Oh.
Make me famous again! They've taken my spotlight from me, as you can see,
Oh.
leaving me in the darkness!
That's awful. That was a pretty cool effect. Oh, hello. I've seen this effect before, but this is a different way of doing it. I really should keep myself centered. Wow, that was amazing. Seriously, that was amazing. I've seen the laser swamp before, but that was a different way of doing it. Awesome. Really long trail. Really enjoyed it. Ooh, that's cool. It sounds like there's a party going on. Wait a minute, why am I not there? Oh.
I promise I didn't mean to drop the bell on her. Look, I will not kill Miss Bism. I will not kill Miss Bism. I will not kill Miss Bism.
Focus with you. Okay. You can't focus with me. And I can't focus with you. And here, I can't figure out how. All I know is, I can't focus with you. Grissom, you gotta go. You gotta go. I can't.
I can't focus either.
Are you the one that cut the rope? It's not it. Dave didn't cut the rope. It could not have been him. You died right before he got here. Here.
I cut the rope, guys. Shh, don't tell him. I'll just cut the cheese. That's amazing. Did not see that coming. Ah! Just gonna go over here. It's nice. Ah! Oh my god, I can't even catch my breath. Oh! This is interesting. See how this works.
Maybe you should go back to the 50s and return your outfit.
Okay. Let's go back in time because I can do that. Apparently I'm late. Am I late to this too? I'm late to everything today. This is last year's
She's hiding in the darkness.
That's fine. This was an amazing event last year. It's already sorry, it's really dark here. This is already so much better than even last year. Wow, that was amazing. So many scares. So many jumps. great storyline, great interactions, just amazing. Am I looking pretty good for my coffin? I'm already. All right, I think I. Oh, I can see.
my
it.
God.
Oh my gosh.
You made it. Oh my God, I've been waiting all year. Okay, so happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
I've been cooking all night. I even made ribs.
Oh wow.
So, how's Aunt Mitch?
So good.
Keep it together. Okay, so I just need you to go to the kitchen and get the turkey for me, okay?
Okay. Might lose your head in here. That was great. Oh wow, oh wow. Okay, that was amazing. That was amazing. Oh, okay. Hello. Sorry you didn't get to see what I just saw. I think I'm being stalked.
New toys right this way.
Okay. Ooh, I like that. That's amazing. Okay, that's really cool. I think that's a chipmunk. I'm confused now. Oh, okay.
Grayson, my toy is running away.
That well. I want to get away from that thing.
Get him at once.
Oh my gosh, she's still following me. Oh my gosh, she's still
I needed
following
them for this! The skin of your toes, the leather in your soles, and the rest of the feet lucky!
Wow, this is cool. This is really cool.
Hand over the candy.
I didn't bring any candy. I think that was funny, but okay.
Pikachu!
Okay, that was amazing. That was amazing, amazing, amazing. So much better than even last year, like I said. I loved it. If you can come out to Petrified Forest, definitely do. So worth it. Fire makes its own rules. I know what that means. I just thought it was cool until I said it. Gotta stop for a drink. Honestly, I've had an amazing time here tonight. Petrified Forest was fantastic last year. It just keeps getting better every single year. So many scares, so many great actors, so many great characters in and out of the trails. Great food options, and all at a good price. So, again, even though I did purchase the tickets myself, thank you so much to Petrified Forest for accommodating me tonight so that I can record the trails for you guys. So, thanks for watching the video. Remember, haunt season never ends. And like that, just like magic, they disappeared.
Make a few people disappear tonight.